Hey besties! I woke up very early to go to the hospital. Hey besties, hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. It's your baby girl Damilola. As you all know, my name is Dami on this channel guys. Your baby girl is home. Yes guys, I've been home now for like a week now, but I haven't had the chance to film some of my sit down video just to let you guys know. I also had some clip which I've already filmed while I was. Sorry guys, this is the evidence that I'm home guys. You can hear the kuku at the background. Just ignore that and just listen to what I'm about to say guys. So guys, I've been at home now for a week now and I don't have the chance to sit down and film this video, so but I have some clips which I'll be adding to this video guys. I have some clip for my traveling coming from Iraq to Nigeria and some stuff that I did there when I went to get my SIM card, a new SIM card, because the one I was using before was not active anymore, so I went to got another one and I will add the clip with this video guys. I just want you guys to know that your baby girl is home. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you that look out for me, send me message and other stuff guys. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. And those that call me, I have this lady on my WhatsApp that called me and asked about my whereabouts. Like, she has not been seeing me posting and everything guys. I'm sound, I'm safe, I'm okay, nothing happened to me guys. I'm home and healthy. Thank you so much guys for the love. I really love and appreciate each and every one of you guys. So guys, that will be all. I'm going to continue with my editing now. I just want to do this intro for this video, so it won't be like I will just upload a video whereby I'll be coming from one place to another and you guys won't know. For those that will be watching for the first time, so I don't want you guys to just watch something that you won't understand. So that is why I'm making this intro, to tell you guys that your baby girl is home. And also guys, this is my first time of making my hair for like 4 years. After 4 years guys, this is the first time I'm making my hair and I want to show you guys my hair. I made this hair day before yesterday. I wanted to film that, but the hairstylist came over to my place to film to the hairstylist came over to my place to make the hair for me, but I wasn't chance because when I was coming guys, I didn't come with my tripod. I left my tripod at the back there. I only came with this small one which I bought while I was coming, and I don't have this like the normal long one, so I was unable to film during those process. But this is the hair I made when I got here guys. This is how it looks. And this guys, after 4 years, this is my first braiding of hair. I love the hair, it's cool and it's nice. And what else do I want to show you guys? Any updates? There is no more updates except that I'm home. Your baby girl is home. That is the only update I want to share with you guys. And if possible anything comes up guys, I will surely let you know. That is sure thing. And please if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like this video. And if you have one or two comments, comment down below. Even though you don't have any comments, anything to say, just give me a love or just tell me congratulations guys. Just tell me congratulations or anything at all, or just put an emoji of love there. Anything, just comment down below and also give the like. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Thank you so much as you do so. So guys, let's dive into the video. My leg swell up for some days now guys, since I came back, I went out with my mom to get a new sim, guys, and I also went to the market. I think it's because of the way I walk around that day that makes my leg swell up for some days now. So I'll be using this hot water to massage my leg, and I use some ointment on it. So that's what I'm going to do now, guys. I think it's because I've not been working for so long, for a long time. I think that is the reason why. So I'm just going to use this, not that hot, just a little bit warm, to massage my leg, and I will also apply some ointment with it to massage it. Is the two leg, this other one to swell up. So that is what I'm going to do now, guys. And I also think it's better now, because before it was so much than this. Like my leg was so bigger than this before, like the way it swelled up was so much than this before, but now it's getting better and I'm happy. I think the warm water and the ointment I'm using to massage it is working. Ooh, shit. So bestie, this is the measure of what I'm going to apply on my leg. This is like balm, abonike balm with, I mix it with shea butter, and that is what I'm going to be using to massage the leg after the warm water massaging. The leg is getting better now. I wish I show you guys how it was, guys, when it swelled up. It was really big. Like this place was really big, and this place, also this side of my leg. So I'm going to use this mixture of shea butter and abonike balm. This is abonike balm. This one is so, like, it's so hot. It's so hot. It's something that is like, I can say peppery. It's a bit peppery and hot, so I don't want it to be too harsh on me, and I mix it with shea butter. So I have my shea butter and the abonike there, which I'm going to use now, guys. This Vaseline under my feet, like under my feet.
Listen to me. When you are depressed, always go back to the altars of God in your life. You will find strength there.
So that will be all, guys. I'm going to relax now, guys, and I will continue with my program. We are still live. I'm joining the second service.
In every circle of
Mẹ́pa àwọn ti fídíò. Ìgbé náà.
Ọmọdé wọn gbàdúrà ni.
jọ bàdá jọ máa bínú lè mọ̀ máa bínú jọ máa pè ní bá sílẹ̀ òkúkàdá jọ lè mọ̀.
So guys, I just came back from the hospital not quite long. I think my background is dark. I don't want to on the light, guys, because I want to try to sleep, because I woke up very early to go to the hospital, so they will attend to me so early. Now I'm back and the doctor gave me some drugs, which I show you guys some of it, and there are still some. There are still some here, which I'm going to take after a week. I'm going to use the one I show you guys for now. Then after a week, I'm going to start using this one. I don't want to open it, so I won't start looking for it. I will start using this one here after a week. So when I'm done with those one that I show you guys, it's like 8. After the 8th tablet, I will start using this one. That will be after a week. So I want to relax now, guys.
Kébẹ̀.
Tẹ́lẹ̀ láàyò sì máa ń gùn jù mí lọ sẹ́. Ọlọ́run gbọ́ pé ń gbágbá ara yẹn lókun lóbìnrin. Èyí sọ obìnrin náà ti bí. Èyí tó ti ká kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ rẹ̀. Not for the weak. Yeah, it's belong. Hi, bestie. Daffy! Hey, God. Hey, Shinu. Fuck you.